Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this smart band. Before we start, you can download additional watch faces on the smart band in two ways. The first way is to do it through the ZEP application, the one that you use to pair the devices together, your phone and smart band, and the other way is to download the third-party application from the App Store and use it to download watch faces. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the ZEP application, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the third-party application. Okay, so let's continue. So let's open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Actually, let me close it and reopen it like this. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon, then select the AMAZFIT Band 7 from the list. And here you should find the option called Watch Faces and tap on it. And right here we have the list of watch faces we can download on our smart band. As you can see, for some of them you need to pay and some of them are free. I'm gonna find some free one. For example, let's say I want to download this one. Tap on it to select it. And once you select the watch face, you can tap on sync and it's gonna start downloading and then syncing to your smart band. And once it's done syncing, it will be applied on your device. You can also scroll up, tap on mine, and here you should see the list of watch faces you downloaded from the store, as you can see. Okay, so that's how you download them through the ZEP application. Now let's close this up and open the Google Play Store. You can use the App Store on the iPhone rather. So once you open the App Store, tap on search and type in Amaze Faces and tap on search. You should see this application, Amaze Faces. Tap on the install. Once you install the application, you can tap on the open button to open it. After the application opens, you will see this page, and here you can tap on select your device and scroll through the list and look for the AMAZFIT Band 7. Tap on it to select it, then tap on apply, tap on agree and continue, allow the required permission, and right here we have the store with the watch faces. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use. Once you find the watch face, tap on it to select it, then scroll down and find the download button. Tap on it, select the type of the watch face. Basically, sometimes you have different languages and stuff like that. I'm gonna select the first one. Here you can tap on see ads to continue. It's gonna open the ads, allow the required permission. You can close the ad then, and then tap on connect. Select your AMAZFIT Band 7 from the list and wait. If it didn't go through, try again tapping on install watch face and then select the version. You can select one or two. If the first one doesn't work, select the second one. I'm gonna select the first one. And now it's going through, as you can see. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your smart band. And that's how you install watch faces through the third-party application. At this point, we can close the app, like this. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.